Yeah, the title is correct. I failed on YouTube after uploading 103 videos. And I don't know if you check my previous videos on this channel, I just don't know why. I always try to optimize everything on these videos, on my videos. I'm not seeing any results. I'm not seeing any improvement. The more I try, the more I get frustrated because no matter how effort I put on my videos, I don't always get views. And if you check my videos, many of it is having 0 views. And I've uploaded like 103 videos. Still, I've not seen improvement. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, so that maybe that's why I'm not getting the views, or why. I just don't know. And maybe if you're watching this video, I just want you to check through my videos. If you find out that maybe I'm doing something wrong, just feel free to comment in the comment section to help me to improve on my video views. And the more I try, the more I just become tired. Like, I'm just actually, I feel like it's like YouTube is not for me or something like that. I just don't know. And I don't also know, because this channel, I started this channel and I was not posting my own content. I was just using people like videos and posting it there, and I was getting copyright claims on the videos on the videos on this channel. So I don't know, but I was getting, like, for that particular videos, I was getting views on that particular videos. But I just, like, I leave the channel because I was getting copyright claims all the time on this channel. So I just leave the channel for some time, getting to like up to a year, and I went back to the channel and delete all that videos and now start to upload my own videos. I don't know if that is the cause, that is why I'm not getting the views on my videos, or I don't know what is the problem. Or maybe I'm not producing quality content, or my keywords are not well optimized. I just don't know why. So if you're just watching my videos, I just want you to also check on the other videos to see if the thumbnails are not looking well, or the description of the video is not looking well, or the title of the video, where am I going wrong, or maybe the topics that I'm going through, it's difficult to get views on it. So I just don't know why. And more to the point, like, if YouTube was pushing my videos, maybe that way I would have said, oh, they are pushing my videos, but I'm not getting the actual views that I was supposed to get on it, or maybe I'm having some issue. Me myself, I'm just confused, because I can upload video and I'll get, like, they'll give me about 50 impressions on my videos, and after that 50 impression on the video, I will not get any impression on the video, and the video will just be there forever. And I always try my possible best, and I always put in mind that I know one day one video is going to take off, and if one video take off, then I'm going to, maybe other videos are going to now take off from there. But here's the case that YouTube themselves are not pushing my videos. I just don't know the reason why they are not pushing out my videos. If I was getting impressions, I know that, oh, people are seeing my videos, but maybe there's problem with my title, problem with my description, or the keyword that I need to use it there, I'm not using it, or maybe I'm not even using the right keywords. That's why they're not showing my videos. I don't know why. Please just try to check it out, to check my previous videos to see if maybe I'm doing something wrong that caused all that. So I just need help from you guys so that I can be able to serve you guys better. And the reason for opening this channel is that I just want to share my knowledge with you guys, what I know and my lifestyle. The purpose of this channel is just to share what I know, and also share my lifestyle, or how I live my life, to encourage others to also work hard towards their goal. But YouTube is like, they are not allowing me to do what I want. And the more you get views from your videos, the more you get the courage to work or to put more content out there. But I'm not just seeing the growth on the channel. And those subscribers that you are seeing there, like, I got about 65 subscribers, if I can remember, from those videos that I was posting, like the copyright videos that I was posting. I got about 65 subscribers from there, and I posted some short on my channel, and that short, some of them have got about 3,000 views. That's why I get some subscribers from there to add. But from there, I don't know if maybe those who subscribe from the short are not seeing my videos again, or they are just not interested in my videos. That's why I'm not getting any views on it. Me myself, I just don't know. So I just want you guys to check my videos to also see maybe I'm doing something wrong there, that's causing the case. But I know that I'm not giving up. Like, I will try as much as possible to put out more content, and I know one day it's going to pay off. But like, I just feel like maybe if somebody is also feeling the same challenges, or you have ever feel the same challenge and now you have come about it, so just also feel free to comment in the comment section to help me what you have done to overcome that, so that maybe I can also improve from there to achieve that growth that I'm also looking for. So I know it's actually like growing on YouTube, everything is about consistency, and actually I always try to put more videos as possible, but the growth is not just showing. And maybe if my videos are not also the quality is also low, please just let me know so that I can improve from there. And I know everything is a gradual process. Nothing is just, you can't just start today and achieve everything at the same time. You need to start gradually and improve one after the other. So I just don't know. So if maybe YouTube is not for me, I don't know. Or maybe because I deleted the previous videos, that caused the growth to just go down. I just don't know why. So I just need help from you guys. Maybe if somebody has ever gone through that and you are able to solve your problem as a YouTuber, I just want you to know. Sorry, I just want you to also help me in the comment section by giving a comment to show me how you did your own, so that I can also improve from there. And I know many people, like they say, before you get the growth you want on YouTube, you need to post about 100 videos or so. But I've posted 100 videos and getting to 110 videos there about, but still the growth is not coming. And maybe I'm not also, maybe if I'm not also like confident on camera, I don't know why. So I just need your help. Just watch my videos, some of my videos, to check out what am I lacking, or what am I doing wrong, so that I can correct myself from there. And I don't know, I just don't know. And more to the point, for the small YouTubers out there, or for those who are just starting out there, I just want to tell you guys that don't also give up. One day is going to pay off. Don't give up. When you start and you're not seeing the growth, try to as much as possible to continue to upload. Maybe one day you're going to see the success that you are looking for. And sometimes we are always everybody is always trying to help another person somewhere in the world. But it takes time. That is the case. I know it takes time, and I know some people their own take them 2 years, and even maybe 2 years. Some they take it less than one year, and they are able to see the growth. And I know the expertise is also part of it. I know one guy, he took only 42 days to get monetized on his channel, and his videos, he doesn't edit it, and I just don't know why it is my own is different. I don't know, because I deleted the channel, or I'm not following the right path, or just take the niche that is saturated, or I just don't know. That's the case. But my main aim is just to share my knowledge. I just want to share my knowledge to the world. I don't want to keep it to myself. And keeping it to myself is not going to help, because sharing what you know to somebody, then it's going to help the person to also achieve something in life. So guys, thank you for watching, and that's what I have to share about my life as just a beginning content creator, or beginning YouTuber. So continue to also work hard on your goal. So thank you for watching, and I'm signing off from now. And if you want to help me to also grow the channel, I just say you're welcome to the channel by subscribing to the channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.